Hello friends, welcome back to Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Today I'm going to share with you a new project. Its name is AltoScan. AltoScan has two websites. This is the main website ats.altoscan.com and the second is its Explorer. And you click on Enter Explorer. This is the second website, altoscan.com. First of all, we will discuss about ATS token. ATS is listed on Gate.io, Bitget and MX exchange. Digital currency built for the new DeFi solution. ATS token ticker provides a bridge to eliminate complex gas fees between hundreds of blockchains. As I show you this Explorer, one Explorer is integrated with multiple blockchains: BSC, Phantom, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base and Zcash. When you click on all transactions, you can check all these transactions on different blockchains. And when you click on all blocks, here you can check blocks and their heights. And this is the homepage of AltoScan. Here you can also check all these currencies available on this single Explorer, where you can read all data on different blockchains. And come back to the main website. Here you can scroll down and can check more detail about this project. New age DeFi solution. Hold any ATS as a gas fees while trading thousands of different tokens on hundreds of different networks. It allows you to buy, send, spend, and exchange your digital assets. The thousands of people around the world trust us, and our mission is to make the new decentralized web accessible to everyone. And this is the detailed trustless connection. You can read all detail here. I will give you the link of this website. And this is DeFi connection between easy. First is secure. They have their own wallet. Its name is, and this is the versewallet.com. You can visit also on this website. And here is the detail of this wallet: secure, universal, user friendly, and backed by the best exchanges. And this is ecosystem VAT wallet, and fixed gas fees, unrecognized risk, burn mechanism, high security. And this is multi-chain Explorer detail, gas growth. And this is you can read Explorer detail. Blockchain Explorer enable user to view recent and past transactions, check the status of transaction, explore block details such as block height, timestamp, and miner information, fast growth. And this is detail about make Web3 dApp faster, domain name, and these are social link, Telegram and X. So this is the first part of this video. In the second part of the review, we will discuss about its white paper. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.